family, welcome to the Brings Cooking Chuck. And today I'm just giving a little sneak peek of my soup. This is what I call soup, and inside my soup I have some dry gungo peas, coconut milk, and also 2 noodles, 1 cock soup and 1 chicken noodle. And as you know, can't do without my dumpling. So here I got some Irish sweet pepper, bell pepper, got carrots, and also some chicken feet, got thyme, yeah, got lots of scallion in here, and here's the hot pepper. You can't eat this one, just use it to spice up the soup. 2 noodles in here, so it's rich, thick. Yeah, chicken feet. Yeah, you can smell the coconut milk in here. You can see the noodles. It's rich and thick. Yes, it's now finished. And where am I? Oh, I'm in Ohio. On my way coming from Rochester, New York, heading to, I think this load was going to Appleton, Wisconsin, but my dispatcher said I can drop this load at the Richfield terminal, since I will make it there before the actual appointment, which is the day after tomorrow. So I'm gonna drop this load, but in the meantime I'm here making some soup, some good old cooking soup. Look at it, man. Wow, got my dumplings. I'm gonna eat 6 of these dumplings right now. Woo, can smell it. It's bubbling. My soup is bubbling. Yeah, that's a sneak peek of my soup inside my Instant Pot. That's what's going on. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching Brings Cooking Chuck video. As you can see, night just coming down. Just getting a little bit dark outside, but I'm here making some soup. Brings Cooking Chuck.